Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on orifices and mouthpieces. In this video we are going to find out what is the intensity of pressure that we have to maintain for this air in a closed tank above this water level for a particular discharge through orifice. So first I will read what is the given problem. A closed tank partially filled with water up to a height of 0.9 meter having an orifice of diameter 15 millimeter at the bottom of the tank. The air is pumped into the upper part of the tank. Determine the pressure required for a discharge of 1.5 liters per second through the orifice. Take coefficient of discharge CD is equal to 0.6. So this was the given question. Let us first understand the diagram as per given data. So here closed tank is given and the orifice is placed at the bottom. So we have to show here the closed tank and the orifice is placed here. Now what is the height of water above this orifice is given here 0.9 meter. So we have to show that here is the surface of water and we have to show from the orifice the distance is 0.9 meter. Now the diameter of orifice is also given 15 millimeter. So we have to convert it into meter, that is 0.015 meter, and from that we can calculate the area of orifice, that is area is equal to 0.0001767 meter square. Now what is the question? So question is that above the water surface here is the air and we have to maintain some pressure of air so that there is the discharge from the orifice that is equal to 1.5 liter per second. So we will convert this discharge into standard unit, that is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second. That means we have to maintain this discharge, and for that what is the intensity of pressure for this air, that we have to find out. So how to write? We can write here discharge because here actual discharge is given. Now here the coefficient of discharge for the orifice is also given, that is CD is equal to 0.6. So we have to consider this CD. So CD is equal to 0.6. So how we can write the formula for discharge? So formula for discharge, Q is equal to area into velocity. And how to find out this velocity? So we know that velocity is equal to, that is we will write under root of 2gh. Now if we observe here, the height above this water surface or height of water above orifice is given, but what about here for air? For air we have to maintain some intensity of pressure. So with pressure we can take here for this air, that is for remaining space, we can take here as a pressure head. So I will mention here. So if we observe, we can take here as a pressure head of air. Now to calculate this Q, we have to take here V is equal to 2G. Now this H plus pressure head of air, because we have to add this total head, that is this H is equal to 0.9 meter plus pressure head of air. So this formula for velocity that we have to take. Now how to calculate the pressure head? So we know that formula for pressure head, P by rho G. So rho is the density that we have to take, 1000 divided by G. So G is 9.81. Now what about P? So we will consider P is in Newton per centimeter square. That is the intensity of pressure required for this air, for this particular discharge, in Newton per centimeter square. So here for pressure head we have to take the standard unit, that is Newton per meter square. So how we can take P into 10 raised to 4 divided by 1000 into 9.81. So if we simplify this, we will get 10 P by 9.81 meter of water. So this pressure head we have to add for this total head. Now we know that V is the velocity at outlet of orifice. Now how to calculate this velocity? So velocity we have formula under root of 2gh, but here we have to take this h plus pressure head of air, that is P by rho g. So I will write here formula V is equal to 2g in bracket h plus P by rho g. So here if we put here value under root of 2 into 9.81 in the bracket 0.9 plus P by rho g is equal to 10 P by 9.81. So now we will again write the formula for the discharge. So we want discharge is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So what is the formula? Q is equal to CD into area into velocity. CD is coefficient of discharge, that is given 0.6. So I will write here. So what is Q? So we have to maintain Q is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 0.0015, which is equal to CD 0.6 into area that we have already calculated, area of orifice multiplied by V. So here is the V that we have already taken. So now we have to simplify this. So we will take this under root term on one side and all the other terms to the other side. So when we simplify this, now at this step we have to take square on both the sides, and only one unknown term is P. So we can easily find out this P. So P is equal to 9.125 Newton per centimeter square, and this is the answer.